Welcome to the Melon channel on YouTube, and welcome to Handyman Mending. Today we are repairing an office chair. Let us check what the problem is. On this chair there are a few levers for adjustment. This lever sets the position of back support and locks the back support in position. Pull up to make adjustment, push down to lock the position. The lever on the left is in the down position. In this configuration the back support should have been locked, but when we pull it there is no resistance, but the backrest moves freely. When let go of it springs back to where it was before. Lever up, no resistance. And lever down, also no resistance. Turn over the chair to see that locking is achieved by friction similar to a multi-plate clutch. Lifting the lever, move the stud to one side. This relieves spring pressure across the interleaving metal strips and washes, effectively decoupling the linkages. Now the backrest can be moved to set its position. Pushing the lever down lets the spring exert pressure to the linkages. Friction should be substantially large to couple the two sides rigidly, but this does not happen. Handyman believes that lubricant on the neighboring part got into the lock. Although in many scenarios, it is desirable to keep mechanical parts lubricated, it is quite the opposite in this case. Lubricant is a contaminant since the mechanism performs its function by means of friction. It is not desirable to have lubrication within this lock since friction will be drastically reduced. Without having to dismantle the chair, let us make an attempt to flush excessive friction-reducing matters away from the lock. We say flush, but we mean using only a small amount of solvent. Due to inclination, it is not practical to pour solvent directly from the bottle. We soak a paintbrush into solvent and transfer to the affected area. Toilet paper soaks up the flush drippings. How does this lock work? Friction is proportional to the pressure. The higher the pressure applied to the lock, the stronger the friction will be. This pressure is provided by a spring which is inside the lever mechanism. It is not visible in this video. Friction is also proportional to surface area. Each interleaving plate doubles the surface area. Although the structure is compact, the effective surface area is surprisingly large. Pressure and large area combine to give a frictional force strong enough to lock the backrest. In the whole process, only a few rounds of solvent transfer from the paintbrush are administered. Overall, very little amount of solvent is consumed. Since the working fluid is introduced directly to the place where it matters, there is a good chance that this repair will work despite deceivingly low consumption. The flush drippings leave behind dark patches on the spent toilet paper. This is a visual confirmation solvent cleansing does bring contaminants out from the lock. Without taking apart anything, this method would be the best that can be done. Dismantling will be the next measure since it is more involving. After this repair, the chair is restored to its intended functionality. The back support lever, when it is placed in the down position, will lock the backrest in place tightly and securely. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, vote and subscribe to the Melon channel on YouTube. See you in our next video. Bye.